Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is just a little rainy day cleaning motivation. I have some things I need to get done, and I'm also going to be washing some stuff for Christmas, like my blankets, curtains, hand towels, and stuff like that, because in the next few days here I'm going to be taking down all of my fall and Halloween decor and getting the house ready for Christmas. So I'm just going to get these dishes washed. I had a bunch in here from breakfast and lunch, so I'm going to wash those before I do anything else. So I did film an intro to this video, and I have no idea what happened to it, and I also had a couple of other clips that I don't know if I just didn't hit record or what, but I did throw stuff in the washer, like my Christmas stuff, so I'm going to be taking that out and putting that in the dryer so that when I do go to decorate, I have everything that needs to be washed all like done and ready to go. I have everything washed and ready to go. Okay, it's about 20 to 1, and I'm gonna make a coffee now because I'm feeling a little tired. And it's such like a gloomy day, and I've just been so busy this morning doing stuff, so it's coffee time. Something else I want to get done today that I've been meaning to do for like a week and just never got around to it is taking everything out of my fridge and my freezer and cleaning it, wiping everything down. It's just a mess. It's all unorganized, and there's a bunch of ice laying in the bottom that's spilled over. And I also have to clean out the ice maker, like the tray goes in because there's like so much caked on ice, and I just need to clean that out so it has room for fresh, nice ice cubes instead of like, it's like an ice block right now. So that is the next thing I'm gonna work on. So I'm going to start by taking everything out. This is the easiest way I find to clean the fridge, is just getting everything out of the way. And it was a mess. It doesn't seem like it, but it really was. Usually I have it pretty organized, but there was like crumbs laying everywhere. There was lettuce dried up in the drawer, and just like some old stuff that I had to get rid of. So this definitely needed to be done today. And I like to clean out the fridge before I grocery shop so I can get a good idea of what I have and what I need, and I have room for all of my new stuff. Alright, so I did that part, and now I'm going to do the doors and all of these shelves. So I'm taking everything out of here. There was some things here that were really old or like half empty that I got rid of, but I'm wiping down every one of these shelves as well. So once I'm done wiping down everything, I'm going to put all this stuff back and organize it. Alright, now moving on to the freezer. First thing I'm going to do is get this huge block of ice, like I said, was in here. Like, there wasn't even that many ice cubes. They were just laying on top of this big chunk of ice, so I'm just going to get all of that out and then take everything out of the freezer as well, and then see if there's anything that was bad, which there was. There was this big bag of like what was it, hash browns, and they were just completely freezer burn in just a block of ice, so I just got rid of those. I've had them for a really long time. And there was a ton of ice cubes just laying in the bottom here. They just sometimes just slide out when the fridge is making ice and it's like overflowing, so it just spills over. And there was also some behind the drawer here, so I have to like reach back there and grab those, and then I gave that a good wipe down. And then I'm just gonna put everything back, and this is done too. I love when this is done. It just like makes me feel so much better when I open the fridge or the freezer to get something. It looks so nice. Fridge is clean, organized. I have so much more room now for when I grocery shop. I have tons of room in there. Up here, this is going to be for dinner tonight, so that won't be there. Yep, and then the freezer. The freezer needed it really bad. So I have a lot more room in here. There was some really old food in there that I had to get rid of. That was like freezer burn. And then this is clean and it's already making some fresh ice, so yep. Okay, it's much later now. It is 7:30 and we just had dinner a little bit ago and I have to clean up, and then I'm going to shower and go to bed, and tomorrow I'm going to undecorate the house, get all the fall stuff put away, so I'm really excited about that. That's all for this video today. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!